everyone, this is me Sadia here, and I'm doing your remaining month of August reading, start from the 22nd through the 31st of August 2020. This is going to be for the sign of Taurus. So let's see what is coming up for Taurus people for the remaining month of August. I will be adding oracle card in this reading, but no charms will be included, so stay tuned and let's find out what is coming up for you guys. While I shuffle the cards, let me remind you it's a general reading. It may not resonate with everyone out there, so always pick the messages which are resonating and leave the rest. For personal readings, you can always reach out to me on my email ID in the description box. You can also follow me on Instagram, where I do upload daily readings. You can also check out my sister's tarot channel as well. I will be adding the link to her channel in the comment section. If you like it, you can always become a part of her YouTube family as well. So let's get started. Let's see what's heading towards you guys. Taurus, please. Knight of Wands paired up with the Hierophant, Seven of Cups, Five of Swords. Let's take one more card. Princess of Wands. Somebody is definitely helping you to have some sort of clarity around one area of your life, which I believe could be, very well around your love life, but it can be anything else as well. Like, it can be your work situation, it can be a home life situation. Somebody is definitely helping you through it, to find the right path, to find the right decision, to make the right decision. Somebody is definitely helping you, because I feel like, there are certain things that you want to do, but you don't know how to do it. You have no idea. You don't have any clue how you can get to it. So I feel like, you are being helped by somebody. It can be somebody within your family. It can be somebody, but I do see whoever this person is either spiritual, or if it's not somebody that then you are getting the help from the person that you are dealing with telepathically. But yes, I do see that somebody is helping you through the process. Somebody is making the path clear for you. Somebody is guiding you through. It would be different for different people. For some of you, you might be getting or seeking the help from somebody who is older than you, somebody who is spiritual, if not older, somebody who knows what is basically keeping you where you are right now and what is going to lead you towards what you want. If it's nothing like that, then you are being guided towards the right path through the person that you are dealing with. They are sending you the telepathic messages, or they are basically helping you heal the wounds, the past, bringing you out of the fears, doubts, helping you heal, helping you fight your own fears, and then take the step towards them that you might have been having issues taking. So it's going to be different for different people, but I do see that you are going to be helped by someone, universe, God, goddesses, spirit guides, to take the right path forward. And while you are on that path, I do see you winning over your fears, winning over your doubts, winning over the clouds of, whatever it was. It's like, you are, just rising above it all and taking the step forward. It's there is this passion too, which is leading you towards, like, that one thing, one person, one relationship, one job, one work, whatever it is that you are working towards. But there is some sort of divine thing happening too, which you could be aware of, or which you could not be aware of. But yes, you are being guided towards that one thing, one person, one relationship, whatever it is. For some of you, I feel like, you are, connecting yourself to the God that you believe in, because you really don't know what to do. And maybe for some of you, you are trying to build that connection between you and your God, especially around the 24th or 25th of August. I feel like, you would be doing that work, the meditation to connect to your God, around those days, 24, 25th, 26th maybe. But yes, I do see that something is going to get easy for you as you do so, or your person does that for you. Let's pull two cards specifically for your love life. Let's see what is coming up for you for your love life in the remaining month of August. Let's take just 2 cards for your love life specifically. Let's find out what is heading towards you for your love life. 2 of Wands, Knight of Cups, the Wheel of Fortune. Underneath the deck, you do have Queen of Wands. If you are the one who is seeking that guidance from someone, I feel like, they have guided you towards the right path where you are now connecting to the source, God, whatever you believe in, and you are praying for one thing that belongs to, one person that belongs to you, and you really want things to get easy between you and this person so you could come closer, so you could have the future that you desire with this person. If that's the case, you are very you are in that zone where you can easily have what you are asking for, what you are praying for. I do see that, the moment you raise your hands to pray for this one person, this one connection, you might not see it, but things would start moving for you. The angels will get to work to bring you what you have asked for. So if it's not you who have asked for help, then the person that you are dealing with, the person that you are not taking the right steps towards, it could be them manifesting you by raising their hands to pray for you, to God, to make the path easy for the 2 of you. And I do see that something is going to shift in you, and you would be able to fight your fears and come out of it and reach out to this person. It's going to be either one of you who are manifesting this this situation where one of you, not one of you, I do see you are the one who is like coming out of something which you have kept yourself blocked in, and it's either you doing that for yourself, fighting for what you believe in and trying to fight your fears and come out of it, or it's your person who is helping you to come out of it by manifesting this connection, this growth from you, basically. So it would be different for different people, but let's see what the oracle has to add to the reading for you guys for the remaining month of August. But I do see beautiful changes are ahead for you, waiting ahead for you. To be very honest, I do see that you will be able to fight your fears, but the step forward is yet to come. It's not going to happen in this month. It's going to happen in the next month. Let's take 1 card from the Romance and Oracle cards. Retreat. It's time to disconnect from the world. If you really want to have the time of your life with a specific person, it's time to disconnect from the world, to meditate, to connect with your God, source, whatever you believe in. Even if you're a cross watcher, do that. Raise your hand, pray for whatever it is that you believe in with this person. Do that so you could have the retreat with this person. So yeah, that's pretty much it coming up for you for the remaining month of August. If the reading resonates with you, do like, subscribe, and share. If you're willing to get a personal reading, you can always reach out to me for that on my email ID in the description box. Till I do the next reading for you guys, take care. Bye bye.